if I told you the next summer icon of 2026 isn't a car, it's a boat? Yeah, meet the all-new 2026 Monterey Elite 25, and trust me, this one is built to make waves in every way possible. Quick question for you. If you could spend your weekends flying across the water with your friends, music blasting, and the sunset in front of you, would you choose speed, style, or comfort? Because the Monterey Elite 25 is trying to give you all three. From the first look, this boat feels fresh and sporty. The hull is long, low, and super clean, with sharp lines that make it look fast even when it's standing still. Monterey really went futuristic with this one. Glossy finishes, bold curves, and a wide stance that makes the boat feel confident and powerful. Now let's talk about what makes it move. The Elite 25 is designed to work with powerful outboard or stern drive engines that deliver smooth acceleration and strong top speed. This boat isn't just for slow cruising, it's made for tubing, wakeboarding, and those moments when you just want to feel the wind hit your face. Even at high speed, it stays super stable and easy to control, which is perfect if you're still learning the ropes. And here's the cool part. It's fast, but it's also smart. The steering feels light and responsive, the ride is smooth over waves, and everything is built to make driving fun instead of stressful. Now step inside, because this is where the Elite 25 really shines. The interior feels more like a floating lounge than a normal boat. You've got wide wraparound seating, soft premium cushions, and tons of space to stretch out with your crew. The colors are modern, the stitching is clean, and the whole vibe feels fresh and stylish. The cockpit is designed for hanging out. Cup holders everywhere, smart storage for your gear, and a driver's seat that feels like a gaming chair on water. Up front, the bow seating is perfect for chilling, taking photos, or just watching the waves go by. And yes, there's even a compact cabin space and a private changing area, which is a huge upgrade for a boat this size. Now let's talk safety, because fun only matters if everyone gets home safe. The Monterey Elite 25 comes with strong railings, non-slip flooring, modern navigation screens, and a solid hull that keeps the boat steady even when the water gets rough. Everything feels strong, secure, and well built. Now the question everyone is waiting for. How much is it going to cost? While the official 2026 price hasn't been fully confirmed yet, boats in this class usually land in the mid to upper premium range. But compared to older Monterey models, this one gives you way more technology, better comfort, and a much more modern design for the money. And when you compare it to past Elite models, the difference is huge. Older versions were great, but the 2026 Elite 25 feels like a total glow-up. Faster, cleaner, smarter, and way more fun to hang out on. So here's the real question. Is the 2026 Monterey Elite 25 the ultimate summer boat for 2026? The perfect mix of speed, style, safety, and chill vibes? Because honestly, summer isn't a season anymore, it's a lifestyle on water. If you enjoyed this first look at the Monterey Elite 25, smash that like button, hit subscribe for more future boats, and drop a comment below. Where would you take this boat first? Miami, Lake Tahoe, or the Bahamas? I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay cool and keep cruising.